view the Morne Blanc nature trail, one can use the Route 14 bus to reach this location, which is 11 kilometers from the Victoria bus stand. The total distance of the journey is 1 kilometer, and at the beginning of the journey you can see the inspiration of an old tea garden and the surrounding mountains and islands in the sea area. Although many areas of the forest are secondary in nature, the main elements of a tropical forest remain intact due to the regrowth of trees such as cinnamon, and native plants are scattered throughout this forest. Birds such as frogs, small snails, large flat slugs, stick insects, and slow-flying butterflies abound as many native animals survive in this habitat. Clouds are formed as a result of the rapid upward flow of moist air, which cools the forest quickly. Moisture-loving plants thrive, and there is a rich endemic flora at these high altitudes, including many. The trail is basically a continuous climb from the high starting point of Morne Seychelles National Park to the prominent ridge west of Mahe. At 667 meters, the trig point, marked on the small metal disc fixed to the rock, you can see Morne Seychelles continuing along the forested slope ridge at 905 meters to the right and towards the Saint Anne Marine National Park. There is an amazing viewing platform 600 meters below Port Gloucester. Be careful when entering this. Return is the same way. Take extra care on the steep sections as they can be slippery.